Good morning, students. In a previous video, we have discussed all the lifestyle and climatical and geographical conditions of your tropical regions. One of the main river basin in your tropical is Amazon River Basin. So just like your next part is your subtropical regions. Okay, so next part in a chapter 8 you have a next type is subtropical region. So in subtropical regions, okay, from means subtropical regions means from above 0 to 10 and 10 degrees south. That region is your tropical. So above your 10 degree to your tropics area, that is your tropics of Cancer, okay, in a north pole, okay, that area is known as your subtropical regions. Okay, so above the 23, that is your temperate zone. Okay, here temperature will be low, temperature ठंडा होने लगेगा. And in between your 23 degree and half and above your 10 degree north, this area will be your subtropical regions. Okay, so we are going to discuss the lifestyle और livelihood of these regions. Okay, इस regions के बारे में हम discuss करेंगे. That is your subtropical region. So in subtropical region, your one of the most famous river basin is your Ganga Brahmaputra regions. Okay, which is mainly found in your India. Okay, larger area of our India. So Ganga Brahmaputra region. So in a Ganga Brahmaputra region, this region is made by the two of the most prominent rivers, that is your Ganga and Brahmaputra. Both origin are from Himalayas से. So some area we will cover the some vegetations or some lifestyle of Himalayas as well as in these regions. Okay. And Sundarban Delta in a Brahmaputra and Ganga is responsible for one of the largest delta, that is your Sundarban Delta nearby your West Bengal के जंगल्स में. ठीक है, वहाँ पे आपको सुंदरबन डेल्टा मिलेगा. So two prominent features हैं by the two prominent rivers, that is your Ganga Brahmaputra and some other rivers like your Gandak, Son, Kosi, all the other tributaries of these rivers responsible for making the Ganga Brahmaputra basins or region. Okay, so there is a two prominent feature, that is Himalaya and subordinate. We are going to, in this chapter we are going to discuss all the region which is coming your 10 degree north to 30 degree north. So about 23 degree, that is your temperate zone, and we are going to discuss till your 30 degree north. So the temperate zone will also come. So आपका थोड़ा सा temperate zone भी we will discuss करेंगे. So temperate zone में you will find your Himalayan regions. Okay, Himalayan regions को मिलेगा क्योंकि because in a Himalayan region your temperature is very low. Okay, temperature low है as compared to your subtropical region. So in a Himalayan, so first going to discuss the Himalayan type, Himalayan's vegetations or geographical condition. So climate is very cold. In a Himalayan climate आपका ठंडा होगा. Okay, temperature will be sometime cold and the kind of a vegetation you will find coniferous trees. Okay, like your coniferous में आपके जितने भी trees हैं वो coniferous trees आएंगे like this. Okay, the leaves will be in a conical shape and will be found in a high altitudes में. High altitudes में आपको मिलेंगे. और sometime if the slope is steep slope, if the mountain steep slope है, slope उसका steep है, means ज़्यादा बिल्कुल तिरछा नहीं है. So you will find the terrace farming. Okay, terrace farming for the cultivations or agriculture production. Okay, now come to your plain area. In a plain area you will find the plain area is generally found by the rivers. How you have already known how the plains are forming. So plains are forming when the rivers from the mountain eroded the layers of the rocks. Okay, and it eroded all the material like your soil. Okay, soil, slates, stones, and after that when they are going to travel in a normal in a plains area तो say their speeds are going to be slow, river की speed कम हो जाती है, so now they started to deposit all the material, eroded material which they have eroded with themselves in the plain area. After that in that area this will you will find a very flat surface land, एक flat surface land मिलेगी, that area is your known as your plain area. Okay, like your UP, Punjab and all the north area. Okay, north India का जो आपका area that comes in the category of plains area. So plains, due to the plains the rivers are flowing in the plains, so river the soil will be very fertile and water availability always be present, water भी available होगा, available water, soil fertility, these all the factors are responsible for most of the responsible for the largest number of agriculture production. Agriculture production आपका large scales पे होगा due to the flat land, and we are getting the flat land, so it is easy for survival, human survival. So this area, the all the area which is coming, all the cities and all the area which comes in the category of plains will be, you will find them most populated area as compared to the hilly regions. Hilly regions के compare में आपका जो plains का area है वो populated होगा, ठीक है. And you are what you are know that in a plain area you are getting the sufficient amount of water, sufficient amount है basins के area पे. So the main crop is your paddy. सबसे मेन क्रॉप आपकी क्या है, पैडी. अदर देन पैडी योर मेज, wheat and all the other agriculture products are producing, but one of the main crop is your paddy. Why so? Because we are getting the sufficient amount of water there in the plains area and paddy require a lot of water, so that's why we are growing paddy in these regions. Okay, paddy grow कर रहे हैं, आपका जो धान होता है. And some cash crops as well. Cash crops means which we are using for a economical purpose or business purpose, like your sugar cane and jute. Okay, and some in this area silk is also producing, like your Bihar and Assam. Okay, in the regions of Bihar and Assam आपके क्या होते हैं, silk worms. By producing the silkworm, through the silkworm आपने क्या मिलेगा, silk का प्रोडक्शन होगा. ओके, नाउ कम टू द वेजिटेशन ऑफ दिस एरिया. ठीक है, ये तो आपकी अब आपके एग्रीकल्चर की बात होगी. नाउ कम टू द वेजिटेशन. वेजिटेशन मीन्स हाउ व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ फॉरेस्ट यू विल फाइंड देयर, फॉरेस्ट और ग्रासलैंड व्हाटएवर. ओके, so in a plains area you will find mostly the tropical deciduous forest. Why so? Because the rainfall is your depends on the monsoon. Okay, जो plains की जो आपका rainfall है is generally depends on a monsoon season. So monsoon में एक particular season में you will get a plenty of a rainfall, so you are getting tropical deciduous forest here. Deciduous means they are shedding their leaves, the trees are shedding their leaves in a particular season, that is your autumn season. Okay, in the second kind of a vegetation you will find is your delta. Okay, in a delta region, जो आपका delta regions होगा means where the water availability is very high, जो water की आपकी the river is going to be the speed of the river is going to be very slow. So some area you will find water and some area you will find a thick mud. Okay, मिट्टी मिलेगी आपको and the water will be very high in the soil. Soil में आपका water बहुत होगा. So we will find mangrove types of a forest here. Okay, two types of a forest we are finding in plains area. In a normal plain area, tropical deciduous forest, or in a delta regions of plains का जो delta region where the water availability will be high as compared to these region. So you will find mangroves type of a vegetation here. Okay, I hope you understand this till there. Okay, now come to this Ganga Brahmaputra regions, these plain regions, wildlife. Okay, what kind of animals you are finding in there. So one of the most in your Assam region. Okay, in your state of Assam you will find one horn rhinoceros. Okay, एक सिंह का जो आपका rhinoceros है, और one of the most prominent feature of wildlife in your Ganga Brahmaputra regions. Okay, and as well as there is a lot amount of rivers. ठीक है, like your rohu and sago, etc. Okay, aquatic lifestyle will be very, aquatic life is always there, plenty of aquatic life will be there, okay, in according in your wildlife. And so due to the aquatic life, okay, due to the water ability, fish will be present, okay, different kind of fish only. So you will find, that's why you are finding that in the regions of your northeast, some regions of your northeast and your Bengal region, okay, what you will find, you will find one of the prominent features or prominent staple food is your rice and fish, okay, rice and fish आपका staple food है, because due to the water ability paddy was growing and aquatic lifestyle fish we are getting plenty of fish as well as, okay. So I hope this is all about your wildlife of this Ganga Brahmaputra region. Now come to the cities. You will find like your Kolkata, Varanasi, okay, Allahabad, all the major cities of your plain area will be situated in the nearby the bank of rivers. Rivers के किनारे पे ही हैं, river के basin area पे, and they are, you will find most of the development happen in this region. All these most development like your airports, from your airport to your waterways to your roadways, all the major development have happened to be there, सारा major development है. So these all are factors responsible for the high populated area in these cities, okay, सारी facilities हैं, so that's why population is also very high in these cities, okay. So this is all about your Ganga Brahmaputra regions, okay. So I hope you understand this chapter very well. Thank you, students.